We want individuals who are contemplating on committing crimes, we want them to change their lives. And we want them to make those choices. That's a wise choice. But then for those who refuse and who reject every opportunity that's been afforded to them from a number of nonprofit organizations and government agencies, then here we are. And so if you cannot find the right program that will help you change your life, we will find the right program that will put you behind bars.
Yesterday evening, the Shelby County Sheriff's Office conducted a focused operation in the Northwood Hills area, located in northern part of the county, to combat violent crime, particularly in the Frayser community. This initiative was a direct response to recent discussions with the County Commission and ongoing concerns from residents. Over 50 deputies from various divisions of the SCSO, including Fugitive, Homeland Security, Uniform Patrol, General Investigations Bureau, and our Narcotics Division, actively patrolled the area. The operation utilized both ground patrols and aerial surveillance through drones to monitor and address criminal activity. The Sheriff's Office collaborated with the Tennessee Department of Corrections, the Memphis Police Department, the Millington Police Department, and the Tennessee Highway Patrol to conduct this comprehensive operation. Chief Deputy Anthony Buckner had these words about the operation.
We're doing operations like this every day of the week. Not on this scale, obviously, but we're doing patrols every single week. In fact, we just recently started a new unit called community policing. And so this unit is patrolling all throughout the community, but sometimes we have to layer that. And so today we grabbed deputies from all over the county and said, hey, we want you to come out here tonight or this evening, and we want to layer what we already do each and every day within this area. But again, we see the news just like anyone else, and we get tired of the crime just like everyone else. Last night we had a shooting just around the corner from where I am, where a young man was shot in the back. And so we, obviously have concerns that when crime is also coming into unincorporated Shelby County, it definitely grabs our attention, but then also the city limits as well. And so this is not something that we do it and then we go away, you don't see us again. We'll be back here tomorrow. We'll be back here next week. We'll be back here for as long as we need to make sure that we address the crime issues in this community.
This operation is an example of the Sheriff's Office's commitment to working together with our local law enforcement partners to address and resolve the challenges facing our community.